Hi, welcome. I have a lot to share today of valuable information, and I hope you digest the material with awareness and that you become more and more present, because that is the whole purpose of being awakened. It's to be in presence of your Lord. And let's jump right in. Okay. She is too overweight. His beard is too long. Are those trails of thoughts valid? Are they helpful to be exposed to the supposed people carrying the faults? We're born to judge. This is a good thing and this is a bad thing. The only problem is that after a certain age, the teenage years, more precisely, the judgments become abusive to read, write, and hear. Buddhism wisdom: when you become aware, meditative, often your body notices there's no toxicity entering your mind, thus your body. As we know, our cells are sort of like messengers that follow your anger, stress, and sadness. Why do you hurt your mind by reading abusive stories? Why do you hurt your mind? You are you can read them, but when you are not awakened, meditative, they become like viruses. With each reaction they expect. Our ego, when untrained by God, Jesus, Allah, universe, or other saints like myself, find awakening as an option. In some ways, it is right when it comes to schooling. Stop viewing my videos if you have a degree to achieve. If you're doing schooling, if you're pursuing a certificate or a diploma, then my videos are not helpful. Those are valid reasons to postpone your awakening journey. My aim is never my aim is never to stop your academic dreams. I have a university degree that gives me great joy in inquiring. I received it before my higher self started to speak with me. I accept your higher self because the universe is part of my beliefs as well. If you are not sure what the universe is, it is all fates of love and harmony. It is difficult to let go of your current belief and exchange it for another. That's what I'm assuming. I may be wrong. I suggest you pair your current belief with the universe. Instead of saying I believe solely in Buddha, for example, you can attach universe to it. It helps a lot because that shows a respect towards all faiths. Buddha and universe to your belief zone opens your spectrum to more blessings. Why? Because your higher self is all about inclusion, not exclusion and separation. Inclusion, that's what your higher self wants. So that's it. I had fun with you. See you next time. Bye bye.